New battery. Oh yeah.
You should take this one.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You like it?
You should take this.
Okay.
That one is the one that you were using before.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Video. Do you have your phone to take a video for Isaac?
Yeah, it's fine. It's already stopped.
Do you not have your phone? I don't know where mine is.
I have
Sorry.
my phone.
Okay, I don't know if we were filming that or not, but the car is smoking. Yeah, we were kind of surprised by how much help the brakes needed. And so the fee was, I think, an additional 800 CDs.
I think there's still a problem with the brake. It was getting hot, and starting to smoke. It's still doing that on the front right tire.
Okay. So we're leaving Toby back, and the car's still not turning on. That was like almost 4,000 CDs to repair, so we're just trying not to feel some type of way, and we're finding ways to find gratitude in this moment, but it's a little difficult. Toby's staying at the car because since it won't turn on, we can't roll the windows up. And I know I told you earlier it didn't look like rain. No, it does. Oh, and we can't get a hold of our mechanic, so yeah, so I don't know what we're gonna do. We're trying to decide if we're gonna keep the car or what. I mean, how do you even sell a car that won't start? But it's like, it starts for Isaac, my brother, who's Ghanaian, and I feel like has a special touch. Yes, please. Thank you. Oh, and here's the oh, okay, let's hide right here for a second.
Your friend is saying,
So I'm in a different shared taxi because I realized I left the gate key with Toby, so I can't get into the gate, and we were taking the router with us over to Mom's house for internet, and we left that too, and I'm not gonna spend really any time routerless if I don't have to. But he was able to get a hold of our mechanic and brother, so they're on the way, so that's good. Okay. Wow.
The battery.
It knocked loose?
Yeah, it just rattled loose. So.
It's still not working right.
No. I don't know what. Should I just drive us back to the house? Nice and slow? Just wait for him to get here?
Yeah, it's better off at the house than here. Right?
I don't know what How about we just drive back to the house? I got the windows rolled up, that's good.
Uh-huh. It's raining.
Get in the car.
Ooh, I got some new towels for Honey G.
Okay.
The fact that the thing just got knocked loose and the battery still works makes me not so mad at Honey G.
Right, I think it's just a weird tight brake.
So y'all heard, the reason why she wouldn't start is because there is, the cable was loose for the connector for the battery. So once Toby reattached it, whoop, back up and running. So, you know, we thank God, truly. And now we're gonna go pick up Audrey. She is still at the market waiting for me to come back. She'll be happy to see me with a car, I bet. And surprised.
Maybe this rain will keep the brake pad cool and it won't smoke.
Yeah, and we'll still just go slow no matter what. Yeah, it is. It's raining. Did he call back because he received our text, or?
No, I called Hasford. Hasford called Mary.
Ah,
and
you're smart.
Isaac said, "Oh, sorry, Monty doesn't have good service sometimes."
Yeah.
But isn't there a tower like literally right there?
Yeah, we'll have to check that out because we're trying to be over there. It's coming down. Audrey and I would have been walking in this if I hadn't realized we didn't have the router. It's raining pretty solid. I hope Audrey's okay.
She's probably waiting in the store, I guess.
Yeah, they had a space for her inside and outside, whatever she wanted. She's a small madam. Whoops. Oh my God. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I don't have a Ghana number right now, but I do have WhatsApp.
Wow. It's really coming down. I think they're exchanging phone numbers. I don't think we can drive down our street. It's so rainy that I don't think we'll see the little potholes. They'll be full.
Well, I don't want to walk home.
No, I think we just sit in the car and let the rain pass.
A long way because it's raining.
Oh, you can hang it to dry in the house. And all the fans and stuff make it, I think it dries a little faster sometimes in this time of year. Because it's so humid. Like even when it's not raining, it's damp outside. Here, let me do that so you can have both hands on the wheel. This is stressful to me.
I'm going 5 miles an hour.
Yeah, but with like, well, potholes and everything. Hello. Yes, the car started, but it's still, we still need the brakes to be fixed. So that's what one of the roads looks like to get to our house. Oh my gosh, Audrey, are you okay?
Our first excursion in Honey G. It was eventful, to say the least. Well, we'll have a do-over soon.
Yeah,
Yes.
Like there was smoke coming into the cab, man. That's not good.
I was like, should we get out?
Yeah. I was like, yep.
Yep. Grab your stuff. Let's go. Smoking cab.
Where there's smoke, there's sometimes there's fire.
When there's fire, people like to smoke.
Fire, people like to too.
When there's fire, we can all get laid. Goes around with a banjo singing that song.
Yeah,
I've seen a little bit of it.
Yes. Season 3. Trash crane. Trash Cranes, a new drama on Fox. They're not cranes, but they eat trash. So.
They're egrets.
Oh, egret. Do you know what, like?
A cattle egret. They chase the cattle and eat their poop.
Yes,
true.
it's true.
So true. Is it?
Yeah.
Look, look. You got it on film?
I'm giving it.
I'm getting out of the car again.
Yeah.
And we're just sitting here too.
No, you were doing all the braking back and forth, and that was a lot of braking.
Yes.
And it smells like a fluid.
It smells like burnt rubber is what it smells like. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe it's like going up so the wheel well catches it.
Crap. There's a storm coming in. You can feel the wind. It's loud.
We had to brace open some of our doors.
Yeah, one slammed shut. We're going live tonight. That's gonna be exciting. We can't wait to talk to y'all. So this will be past tense. Shh, it's movie magic.
How was it?
Yeah, how was the live? Did you see it? It's really breezy. Feels good. This will make for a good thumbnail. Okay, we got some. I know we did. We're still waiting for Honey G. So, y'all saw, I showed you on Toby's phone, we were getting some like real-time video. They're fixing some wires, which we believe were getting water on them, right? So that was leading to them smoking. So now they are replacing those and covering them and making sure they don't get water on them. And we should be good to go. We should just be riding around in Honey G all over town.
Praise God.
Yes.
Yamanado.
Yeah. Here it is.
Oh yeah, I can see the rain right over there. Oh, it's just snow. Oh,
It's
here it
coming.
is, here it is. It has arrived.
Wow, that's cool. It was, you know, it was interesting today because we're able to like kind of see our reactions to something so stressful, right? We've just been back. We've been in the U.S. having a lot of convenience, yada yada yada.
Right.
Not even having a car out there, right? So not having to deal with that stress, and then seeing like how it affects like our baby Audrey, and remembering those times. Oh my gosh.
See, that's that real rain.
Yes. Helix hides from the storms, so she's in the closet. Hi, kitty. Hey, okay. So Toby's gonna turn off all our electronics. Oh, I need to go turn off the refrigerator. When you suspect that the power is gonna go out, just turn it off. There's risk of it flashing back on and off, on and off, on and off when it's either on its way out or when they're turning it back on. So we don't want to risk any of our devices or any electronics. Powered down.
Metiase, I do understand. It's like the two wires are getting connected because of water.
Yes. Yes.
It's like open heart surgery.
So very soon he will finish. He's working on it. So when he finishes, we will bring it.
Yeah, does anybody understand like how to get some screws and reattach the wheel well covering?
Yeah, when we finish, I'll go to the other shop over there and see if I can get some screws, then I'll do it.
Pulling up black windows when she go down. You must be crazy if you think that I'ma slow down. I wanna hear her talking shit from the drama. Coming up and since you take it all up. It's no living when you really got a gun down. Dropping bodies in the face to the side down.
Gotcha!
I love this drink.
Oh, they're super fruity and yummy. Hello! Yummy drinks! Woo!
Wow. So Honey G's driving. We're very, very happy. We are back online. Round 2, electric boogaloo!
Pulling up black windows once you go down. You must be crazy if you think that I'ma slow down.